Legislative branch jigsaw activity. Group 1. What is Congress? Introducing the Congress of the United States. Why did the framers of the Constitution establish a bicameral legislature for the United States? What do your local county or city council, state legislature, and the U.S. Congress have in common? All three are legislative branches. A legislative branch is an organization of elected representatives that makes official policies called laws. While laws passed by your local legislature only need to be followed by the citizens in your immediate surroundings, laws passed by the U.S. Congress apply to the entire nation. Article 1, Section 1 of the Constitution establishes the legislative branch of the United States. All legislative powers herein granted shall be vested in a Congress of the United States, which shall consist of a Senate and House of Representatives. Balance interests. As you can see in the very first words of Article 1, the Constitution establishes a bicameral legislature in the United States. This means that the United States Congress has two different chambers, the House of Representatives and the Senate. The framers required that proposed policies called bills be approved by both chambers in order to become law. The bicameral Congress reflects the Constitution's attempts to balance the interest of the population of the United States with the interests of the individual states. Members of the House of Representatives are selected based on proportional representation. This means that each state sends representatives to Congress in proportion to its overall population. States with the highest population have the most influence. In contrast, the Senate gives states equal representation with 2 senators each. When does Congress complete its work? A new term of Congress begins in early January of each odd-numbered year and lasts for 2 years. Each Congress is numbered, so the term that began on January 3, 2015 is officially known as the 114th Congress. Each term of Congress is divided into 2 sessions. A session is the period of time in which members of Congress meet in Washington, D.C. and conduct business. Sessions adjourn at the end of the year as the members see fit. The Constitution grants the President the authority to call a special session of Congress on extraordinary occasions such as a national emergency. The President has called the Senate only into special session 46 times and both houses on 27 occasions. The last special session was called in 1948 by Harry S. Truman. The congressional elections that take place in November of each even-numbered year are a signal that the current Congress is about to end. New Congresses begin the following January as Congress changes membership.